recently, many people thought the sole source of their success boiled down to their intelligence, or IQ. However, research has been emerging since the late 90s that there is a definitive link between career success and emotional intelligence, or EQ. Intelligence is your ability to learn, which remains the same whether you're 15 or 50 years old. EQ, however, is not a steadfast metric. It's a flexible set of skills that can be learned and improved with practice. This module, Leading with Emotional Intelligence, explores the impact of emotional and social functioning in the area of leadership and your role as a leader. I'm Gina London, internationally recognized communications expert, author, and keynote speaker. This curriculum was designed by leading experts and aligns with my own practice-based executive training programs, which help you better lead, manage, and inspire teams. At the end of this module, you'll be able to describe the dimensions of EQ, develop EQ strategies to enhance your leadership style, have a heightened level of empathy to support your leadership and change initiatives, and have personal change goals to continue your development in the area of EQ. Let's get started.